Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. November 15, 1917 America, New York. AMC is readying to accept Shiba Inu for payment. AMC Entertainment will accept the Shiba Inu, SHIB, digital currency for payments in 60 to 120 days according to the firm's CEO Adam Aron. Now the cute dog-themed coin Shiba Inu.
BBC News Business. November 15, 1902 America, New York. Kickstart Youth Jobless Plan helps 100,000. More than 100,000 young people have started new jobs under the £2 billion government scheme, figures show. BBC News Business. November 15, 1902 America, New York. Zoopla. Rents rising at fastest pace in 13 years, says report. Rents are rising at the fastest pace since 2008 as strong demand outstrips supply, says one online platform. BBC News Business. November 15, 1902 America, New York. 5 items that tell the story of price rises. How garden fences and savory snacks can help us understand why the cost of living is accelerating.
Daily FX Market News. November 15, 1900 America, New York. Australian dollar forecast. AUD, USD rises ahead of RBA minutes, Lowe speech. AUD, USD moved higher overnight despite souring sentiment on Wall Street. The RBA's latest meeting minutes and a speech from Governor Lowe may provide direction for the Aussie dollar today.
Forex Live. November 15, 1851 America, New York. NZD traders, heads up for the GDT dairy auction coming up Tuesday the 16th of November 2021. Global Dairy Trade, GDT auction begins at midday in London on Tuesday. The most recent results. Expectations I have seen are for another rise in the index. Tighter supply is being reflected in the rising price and expectations for the same again today. Forex Live. November 15, 1845 America, New York. Rumor of an imminent announcement on Biden's pick to chair the Federal Reserve. U.S. senators have been told by White House officials to expect an imminent announcement on Biden's pick to chair the Federal Reserve. The two contenders are Brainerd and Powell.
New York Times Business. November 15, 1839 America, New York. Google executives tell employees it can compete for Pentagon contracts without violating its principles. The company abandoned work on an earlier military program after employees revolted. Sundar Pichai, the chief executive of Google. I think we are strongly committed to working with the government in a way that's consistent with our AI.
Forex Live. November 15, 1831 America, New York. Xi-Biden summit meeting expected to begin around 0040 GMT. Earlier post here. China's President Xi and U.S. President Biden are meeting Monday evening, U.S. time. I didn't have much of an indication to the start time but have heard 0000 GMT to 0045 GMT bandied about. Forex Live. November 15, 1820 America, New York. Fed's Kashgari says FOMC should not overreact to what are likely temporary factors. Head of the Federal Reserve Bank in Minneapolis Neil Kashgari, who is consistently at the very dovish end of the Federal Open Market Committee spectrum.
Global Economy. November 15, 1746 America, New York. First FT. Dutch government scrambles to keep Shell in Netherlands. Plus, Biden signs $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill into law and Duterte enters last-minute Senate bid.
Forex Live. November 15, 1741 America, New York. China's President Xi and U.S. President Biden are meeting Monday evening, U.S. time. It's a virtual meeting, Monday U.S. time and Tuesday China time. Top-level meetings like this 99.99% of the time result in bland sort of readouts. Still, there may be something. Forex Live. November 15, 1730 America, New York. Australia Weekly Consumer Confidence 106.0, prior 109.0. ANZ, Roy Morgan Survey of Consumer Sentiment down nearly 3% on the week. ANZ remarks. I don't know who ANZ survey for this indicator, but I'd be very surprised if much of the Australian population was all that keen on following developments in the US CPI. Forex Live. November 15, 1719 America, New York. Forex Live America's FX News Wrap. Your breaks and trends lower. Forex news for North American trading on November 15, 2021. The economic calendar was modest with the November Empire Manufacturing Index the only U.S. release. That index came in at 30.9 versus 22.0 estimate.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 15, 1715 America New York, Ohio sues Meta over impact on children. Ohio's Attorney General is suing Meta Platforms, alleging it misled the public about how it controlled its algorithm and the effects its products have on children.
Forex Live. November 15, 1715 America New York. In case you missed it, Bank of Canada Gov Macklem on slack in Canada's economy, nearly absorbed but not yet. BOC Gov Macklem wrote an opinion piece in the Fort. Greg had the post here. Check out the post for the details. Macklem arguing that the Canadian economy is getting closer to having absorbed slack, but not quite there yet.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. November 15, 1704 America New York, Hollywood production workers approve labor deal. A slim majority of union members approved 3-year contracts that end a confrontation that had put the industry on the brink of a strike.
Daily FX Market News. November 15, 1700 America New York, Swiss franc technical analysis, CHF, JPY, EUR, CHF, GBP, CHF. Multiple Swiss franc crosses are approaching key technical levels following reversals of recent trends. These are the levels that matter for CHF, JPY, EUR, CHF, GBP, CHF.
Forex Live. November 15, 1648 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread. Tuesday the 16th of November 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so.
BBC News Business. November 15, 1642 America New York. Biden signs, once-in-a-generation, $1 trillion infrastructure bill into law. The once-in-a-generation law nearly failed to pass Congress this month amid Democratic infighting.
Forex Live. November 15, 1640 America New York, Nasdaq and Dow close lower. S&P trades near unchanged. Dow Industrial Average down for the 4th time in 5 days. The final numbers are showing.